Okay, so I feel like I have to apologize for the fact that I have made 4 videos in a row about cryptocurrency, and this channel is not only supposed to be about cryptocurrency, like that is a part of it. However, that has been the most interesting thing going on in the world of money recently, and I kind of got a little bit of FOMO, made a bunch of videos about crypto. We're taking a break for this one. So the reason I started this channel is because I just started an educational business called Nestwiser. The idea is to teach people everything that school should have taught them about money, but it didn't. This channel is to let people know that that company exists and also to kind of document my journey along the way a little bit. Also a place for me to practice video editing so that when I start to make my educational videos for the business, I'm actually really good at it and I'm not fumbling around like you see on my first couple of videos. I've been working super hard on that curriculum and I've been investigating a bunch of different ways that I can release it, and I think I have a way now. I got my LLC back, I got my bank account started, so now I can start taking clients through the business rather than kind of through a different business and charging them a consulting fee through that business. In sort of a weird way. It was kind of weird, but like the thing that I wanted to do was get them on the new business, and now that's fully operational. So the consulting absolutely exists. If you guys want to consult with me on personal finance, putting together your net worth statement, your budget, your retirement plan, how much house you can afford, whatever types of things that you need help with, you can reach out to me and ask me those questions by email, or if you have my phone number or my email, you can get to me there. Guys, check out this wild video that I made with AI as a commercial for my new business.
Inflation is killing us out there, boys. We need air support now.
I'm doing my best, but I can't get called in. Communications are blocked.
Looks like we might be in this one alone. Ah!
Whoa, guys, doing your finances doesn't have to be that dramatic. Just go to nestwiser.life. You can sign up for a personal financial coach and get free downloads for templates for your budget and your net worth statement. See how you stack up against other people in a similar situation and run some calculations. See if your retirement plan is on point. You can also do quarterly checkups to make sure that you're sticking to your budget and sticking with your goals. Go to nestwiser.life to build your nest egg wiser for a better life. Okay, that was pretty funny, not perfect, and don't actually go to that website because it doesn't exist. I'm not going to be building my own website. I'm going to be building on a different platform. The other thing that I've been thinking about while I put together this channel is how do I make macroeconomics interesting for people who aren't nerds like me? But I talked to my brother and he was like, that's kind of the cool thing about you is that you nerd out about this stuff and other people don't. So I'm going to take that to heart and I'm going to go full nerd on this. Simultaneously, the other problem that I keep running into is that other financial education companies are constantly putting these systems in place that are a one-size-fits-all system. And the problem is humans are very different and personal finance is very personal. There is no one-size-fits-all situation that can go to multiple people. So if I want to create a system that doesn't require me to be in the room with you all the time, which is what I'm trying to create with my online course, I need to find some interesting and creative ways to help you come to the conclusions rather than me giving you a mandate like do exactly this. So the way that I think I'm going to solve this problem is put together activities wherein you will have to ask yourselves the necessary questions, and then the answers will be revealed to you what makes sense for your situation. That is all getting built out and it's going to be in the community. I'm not going to release too much about that until I actually have a better picture of how it's going to look. But there's going to be an online community. A lot of people are doing online communities right now, but this is actually going to be basically a course and a class that you can go step by step. The goal is to get you to financial security, regardless of your current financial situation, in a matter of maybe a year or a year and a half. Most people can do it in 18 months, regardless of their situation. If you're not in a really terrible situation, you could probably do it a lot faster than that. So the number one thing that we're going to do is teach you how to master money and macroeconomics. Then we're going to go into how to set up your personal financial situation so you have a little bit of money left over. Then with that leftover money, we're going to teach you macro investing. You don't have to trade in and out of your stocks all day long, drive your heart rate up to the heavens, and start doing cocaine just to keep yourself alive. However, we're going to pick stocks with a higher likelihood of succeeding than, let's say, the S&P 500 with an understanding of macroeconomic trends. I think I can do this for not that much money, like maybe the cost of your Netflix subscription, or maybe the cost of all of your cumulative video subscriptions, but I'm not quite done with it yet. Hopefully we can get it under that price, but it's going to depend on how much I have to spend on building this thing. So anyway, guys, if you found the ideas interesting in this video and you're interested in the community and you're interested in other things, hit the like and subscribe button. Drop me a comment in the video. Maybe give you some ideas about questions I could answer for you in the future.